if you're only going to be on one social media platform, then make it LinkedIn for career. So that's really going to be the place where you're going to get best results for your career, and it's worth putting up a decent profile on LinkedIn so that you can make those connections. So just as a basic, as the essence of what you need to do, just get a professional profile photo, a headshot just up this bit. Do a nice, concise and descriptive headline, and I'm going to show you how this appears on LinkedIn so you understand what people are going to see, because that is really important. It's like your headline for your website. You don't want to be telling them irrelevant stuff in the one-liner underneath your profile picture. And there's also a summary where you basically, it's just like your bullet points and subheadings. You want to summarise your best list of features and the best things about you in that summary. So here we go. Here's Grumpy Cat. Don't have a photo like that on your LinkedIn profile. And also, if you see the second one, at the top, second from the left, don't put something like that. That does not brand that person.
Like a motorbike,
It doesn't make sense. If I'm going to employ someone, I'm not employing a motorbike. I'm employing the person who is on the motorbike. So I want to see you, and I want to see who you are. And it feels like you're hiding if you're putting pictures like that on your LinkedIn profile. So it is really important to just get a nice, professionally taken headshot for your LinkedIn profile.
And if you see the other one down the bottom right, if you're a personal development coach, this is kind of wasted space on LinkedIn by not putting a picture of yourself. Think about who you are. If you're a personal development coach, seriously, I want to see a picture of you. I need to see who you are. Get a professional photo at the very least.
And then also looking at, so this is how you're going to appear when someone's searching through LinkedIn. And you can see that the one-line description is very important because that's basically the lead-in. This is the headline saying, hey, here I am, here's my biggest benefit. And so you need to make sure, like having something like currently seeking new opportunities, that's a waste of space. And that does not make me want to click on you and find out more about you. Basically, it kind of says to me you're unemployed. So it's important to understand that whatever you write in your headline is what's going underneath your picture. And also make sure, read it in those small areas to see how much. There's one down the bottom left there. He's written too much. So the sentence finishes halfway through.
It's not too bad.
It's not too bad, but the sentence finishes halfway through. So be aware you've got a limited number of characters to fill as well. And then just make sure you complete your LinkedIn profile. Put in your experience, put in your past jobs, put in your best features, what you're good at, and put in, if you've got certain educational qualifications, digital marketing.
Of course. You knew we were going to say that.
Put that in because that is important for potential employers to see.